करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा अपराधं विहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। हरिः ओम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। In last time, we witnessed Bharata's anger. How angry. He is a young man, so naturally, anyaya things which comes under his observation, young people get angry. So Bharata is young, and plus his mother, the person who is at fault is his own mother. So his anger, the level of his anger has reached the top. We had seen Lakshmana in similar fate of anger, So here we are seeing Bharata. So Bharata, Kaikeyi says, Kaikeyi tells him that Jata Maharajasya Satyavachanam Rakshantya Maya Tatha Uktam. So Bharata says, Kimiti, it's not your fault. You have not done it. You have not committed anything. It is because of Maharaja you have said this. She says, Maharajasya Satyavachanam Rakshantya. Maharaja has promised something. So he must keep his word. For that purpose, I had said this. He said, Kimiti, what had you said? Putra ko me raja bhavatu iti. Let my son become the king. Atha sa idanim aryo api bhavatyaha kaha. If so, then Arya, that means Rama, his eldest brother, who is like a father. Generally in a family, the eldest brother is like a father, and all his younger brothers and sisters, treat him like their father. So here also, these brothers, they treat their elder brother Rama as their father. Bharata also does not take the name of Rama. He says, Atha saha idanim aryaha api bhavatyaha kaha. Who is Rama? Who is Rama to you? He is also your putra. And then further says, Pituhu me now aurasaha putraha. I told you, this is kaku, that is intonation of voice. And because of that, the meaning changes. This is prashna kaku. Pitur me na aurasaha putraha. That means he is aurasa putra of my father. Na kramena abhishyachyate. Because he is jeshta, so he is right. He is to be coronated. Is it not right? Is it right? Then Daita Bhrataro na syuhu Prakruti nam na rochate. His brothers will not love him as before. Here, Bharata gives her all those options. Was he not a legitimate son of my father Rama? Was he not being crowned in the due order of succession? He was in the order. Would he not be loved by his brothers? Or would the brothers not have been loving towards one another? There won't be any difference between their love. You know, the love will be same. They will love each other equally. Even if Bharata becomes Raja, Rama becomes Raja, it doesn't make any difference in their love. Bhratru Prema. And for there is, Aurasa means Urasa Nirmitaha. Urasa Nirmitaha, that means his own son is Aurasa Putra, a legitimate son, as distinguished from Kunda, Golaka, etc. They are also called Putra, but they are not Aurasa Putra. It is given in Manusmruti, many varieties, many kinds of sons, You can call them Putra, but they are not your Aurasa Putra. The Aurasa Putra is Urasaha Nirmitaha is Aurasa Putra. Then he says, Kramena abhishichyate. Kramena means by right of precedence. He is the eldest, so he is to be coronated. It is right. What is wrong in it? Dayitaha. Tasya dayitaha. It means, would he not have loved his brothers after being crowned a king? He would love his brothers. Or would not the brothers have loved one another still? They would have. That is the meaning in this. So it is not correct. Whatever you say, Bharata has explanation for that. Kaikeyi says, Jata shulka lubdha nanu prashtavya. Shulka lubdha. This word here comes as, it is used as a noun in the sense of lubdhata. A strong desire to have the gift promised at the time of marriage. It is Stridhana and she has right on it. She means, it was not I, but the Shulka Lubdhata, so natural with woman that was at fault. Shulka Lubdhata is at fault, and it is but natural with women. It is their Stridhana. Like Stridhana, they have right on it. They don't part with it so easily. It hurts them a lot if they have to part with it. If a person is in a difficulty, it is the last resort to raise money. That is selling of the gold of their wives. That is Stridhana. So here she says, it is but natural. Women are, Shulka Lubdha. So this Shulka Lubdha, because of this Shulka Lubdhata, I have done this. And it's natural. You are asking me about that. Then Bharata says, Valkalaihi Rutarajashrihi Padati Sahabharyaya Vanavasam Tvaya Adnyaptaha Shulke Etepi Etat Udaratam Valkalaihi Ruta Rajashrihi Hata Rajashrihi Yasya Saha Ruta Rajashrihi. And he is Valkalaihi. He is Valkalaihi Yuktaha. He is wearing Valkala. He has lost his Rajashri, his kingdom, his sampatti, everything. He is with yukta with valkala, that means he is wearing only valkala. And bharya yasaha, and with his bharya, he is padachari, he is walking on his bare feet, and that too in vanavasa. Vanavasam tvaya adnyaptaha. He is walking in vanavasa, which was ordered by you. You asked for it. Shulke api etat udharutam. Okay, you say Bharata should be made king. He should be coronated. Okay, that is agreed. But now in that Shulka, this was also all this which I said just now, that is also was included in that Shulka. Bharat Kaikai says, Jate Deshakale Nivedayami. I will tell you at the right time. Let the time come, and at that time I will tell you and I will explain to you everything. Bharata says, Ayashasi yadi lobhaha kirtayitva kim asman. If you had, if ayashaha ishtam, if you are eager, if there is eager desire for infamy, you have that desire of infamy, ayasha. If you have that desire, eager for infamy, tarhi asman kirtayitva kim. Why did you take our names? Why did you include me in that? Nrupafala tarshaha. Further he says, Kimut nrupafala tarshaha kim narendro na dadyat. Is that nrupafala tarsha? Tarsha means trushna. Tarsha means trushna. Rama, he says, Yat phalam abhimatam, Yat phalam abhivata vastu prapti rupam. If you had any desire for a particular phala, and if you have trushna, that is thirst to get that phala, kim narendraha na dadya, kim Dasharatha would not have given you that fruit which you are longing for. He is capable. Dasharatha would have definitely given you that phala. Ramaha vivasanam antarena api kim te abhilashitam na purayet. Whatever, he, tries to strike at her on all the sides. You want any fruit, special something phala you wanted, then king was able to give you that phala. Why did you do that? It seems you have, ishtam, infamy. You are eager for infamy. And then he says, Athatu Nrupati Mata Iti Eshaha Shabdaha Tava Ishtaha. Suppose, now let us see, Bhavati, if you want to call yourself Nrupati Mata, I am the Mata of Nrupa, Raja Mata, Veera Mata, Raja Mata. If you want, to be called as Raja Mata, Nrupati Mata, then Rama is not your putra. Vadatu bhavati satyam kim tava aryo na putra. If Rama was to be king, you would definitely become his mata. You are his mata. So you would be called as Nrupati Mata, Raja Mata. Where is the difference? Kashtam krutam bhavatya. every point of hers, Kaikai's every point, he has attacked and put his defense, That's here it is proven that you are doing it with Rajya Lobha, with your wicked, nature. Kashtam krutam bhavatya. You have made everybody, sad, and you have put everybody in difficulty. Kashtam krutam bhavatya. Tvaya rajaishinya nrupatihi asubhihi naiva ganita. You have bhavati rajaishinya means rajyam kankshantya. You wanted kingdom. Tvaya Rajyaishinya Rajyam Kankshinya Nrupatihi Asubhihi Na eva ganitaha. You did not think of king's life. You did not think about his life. He was old, Jirna. In that age, you did not consider his life also. What will be the effect of all such things on Dasharatha that you did not consider at all? Sutam jeshtham cha tvam vrajavanam iti preshitavati. Now the jeshtham sutam vanam vraja iti preshitavati. You sent your eldest son by telling him, go to forest. And then Janakatanayam Valkalavatim Društva Yat Tava Hrudayam Na Shirinam. You saw Janakatanaya, your daughter-in-law, Sita, Vaidehi, Maithili, Janaki. Janakatanaya, you saw Janakatanaya wearing Valkala and going after her husband. When you saw her going, did your not heart break? Did it not, hurt? Did it not get hurt? No Shiranam, your heart is not Shirana. That means Aho dhatra srushtam Rudayam vajra katinam. He says dhatra is dhatru. Dhatru is Brahma. So he is the creator of this, human beings and this world. So he says, Aho dhatra, O Brahma, srushtam vajra katinam rudayam. Brahma Srushtam tava rudayam vajra katinam. Katinam like vajra. Vajra is the most katina, hardest, thing. So he compares her heart with vajra. And he says, your heart is vajra katina. And oh my God, how Brahma has made your heart vajra katina. I fail to understand this. And then Sumantra is waiting there. He says, Kumara etau vasishtha vamadevau saha prakrutibhi abhishekam puraskritya bhavantam prati udgatau vidnyapayataha. He says, Kumara, he calls Bharata Kumara, he is Raja Kumara. Etau vasishtha vamadevau, Vasishtha and Vamadeva, both Saha Prakriti Bhihi means the subjects. Some of the people from the respected Manyavara, people from Praja, his subjects, Saha Prakriti Bhihi Abhishekam Abhishekam Puraskritya Bhavantam Prati Udgatau Vidnyapayataha. They are saying you, they have brought Abhisheka Sambhara with them, and that they are, with that they are saying you, Gopahina yatha gavo vilayam yanti apalitaha. Gopahinaha yatha gavaha vilayam yanti apalitaha evam nrupatihinaha hi vilayam yanti vai prajaha. Like yatha gopena rakshakena. Gopa goes with cows for as a rakshaka, to protect them, so that suddenly from the forest tiger should not jump on them. That is a kind of protection. So yatha gopena rakshakena hinaha. If the gopa is not there, then gavaha apalitaha. The cows are not protected. Apalitaha. And they vilayam nasham yanti evam. They are destroyed. They are eaten up by the wild animals from the forest. So they are destroyed. So evam nrupatihina hi vilayam yanti vai praja. Evam, similarly, praja, if she has no king, if the praja is nrupatihina, then that kingdom is also destroyed. They are doing their duty. They are the senior people, in this staying with king. They advise king in his good time, bad time, anything, they are advisors. They are well-wisher of king. So they try to convince Bharata that you accept this Abhisheka because of this reason. If there is no king, the kingdom will be destroyed soon. The neighboring enemy will, come forward and fight and take away the kingdom. So you become the Raja. You accept this Abhisheka. Bharata says, Anugachantu mam prakrutayaha. Let the subjects follow me. Sumantra asks him, Abhishekam visrujya. Leaving this Abhisheka, kva bhavan yasyati. Where are you going? Where you will be going? Bharata says, Abhishekam iti. You say Abhisheka, he is still angry. He says, you say Abhisheka, Abhishekam visrujya. Now if that is important, then iha atra bhavatyai pradiyatam. He points to Kaikeyi, because she is Rajya Lubdha. She has, greed for Rajya. So Bharata says, that Abhisheka you give to her. Sumantra says, Kva bhavan yasyasi. Where will you go? Bharata says, Tatra yasyami yatra asau vartate Lakshmana priyaha. I am going there. Tatra yasyami. Where? Yatra asau Lakshmana priyaha vartate. Where this Lakshmana priyaha. Lakshmana priyaha. It means Lakshmanaha priyaha yasya saha Lakshmana priyaha. So, where Lakshmana priyaha, that is Rama, is vartate. Na Ayodhya tam vina, Ayodhya sa Ayodhya yatra Raghava. Without him, Lakshmana priya, that is Rama, without Rama, this is not Ayodhya. I do not consider this Ayodhya because Rama is not here. But it is that place I call Ayodhya where Rama is. That is forest. That means he wants to go to forest and be with Rama. He has no, Kanksha. He has no desire to accept the kingdom. He has no greed like his mother, but foremost thing for him is Rama. Love for him, Rama, Lakshmana, his brothers are the foremost thing in his life. So he leaves everything and he wants to go to forest where Raghava is. Here first he says Lakshmana Priyaha. Lakshmanaha Priyaha Yasya. And second time he calls him Raghava. Raghoha ayam iti Raghava. So Nishkaranta Sarve. So all of them go. And here ends the third chapter. Tritiyaha Ankaha Samaptaha. In each chapter, some important, ghatana takes place. Pratima Graha we saw. Then Bharata comes, the Pratima Graha episode, and Bharata leaves for forest. This was in the third chapter. Dasharatha's death was in the second chapter. And first chapter was little bit longer, and many instances, occurred in first chapter. So it is bit longer. That Valkala coronation, say preparation of coronation, then that Valkala prasanga, then coronation stopped all of a sudden, and then Maharaja Dasharatha is very sad, and then Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, they go to Vana. That is the first act. Second, Dasharatha's death. The third one is this Pratima Graha, and Bharata follows Rama to forest. Here is our third act, 8. So in the next chapter, that is fourth Anka, Chaturtho Anka, Bharata, now we know that Bharata has started and he wants to go to Vana. He wants to follow Raghava. So Bharata goes to Vana, and there he sees Rama, he meets Rama, and Rama doesn't come back, and he wants to stay with Rama, but Rama convinces him somehow that you must go and look after the kingdom because you should not harm Praja. Praja's Rakshana is our foremost duty. So you go to Ayodhya and look after the Praja. So Bharata convinces him, but he says, but I will not be the king. And so he picks up Padukas, the sandals of Rama, and Paduke Gruhitva Rajyam Paripalayitum Punaha Ayodhyam Agachati. He takes Paduka of Rama's, and he comes back to Ayodhya. This is the episode described in this Chaturtha Anka. So let us see how he has described that and what. So like as usual, the Anka does not begin with the main characters on the stage. So Chetyo, two Chetis, they enter on the stage and then they talk among themselves. Through their dialogue, we come to know what all things have happened. So first Cheti, Vijaya. First Cheti is Vijaya. She says, Hala Nandini ke bhada bhada adya Kausalya purogaihi sarvaihi antapuraihi pratima geham drashtum gataihi tatra kila bhartrudharakaha bharataha drushtaha aham cha mandabhaga dware sthita. When something happens, everybody wants to be there and witness. Listening the ghatana or whatever prasanga through somebody it is not that pleasant. Should be eye, witnessed by eye. Must be seen, experienced. Then only they are satisfied. Then only one feels satisfied. So here, this Vijaya Cheti, she tells her friend Nandinika, Nandinike bhana bhana. And then says, Adya, we know that Kausalya Purogaihi, Sarvaihi Antapuraihi, Pratima Geham Drashtum Gataihi, Tatra Kila Bhartrudharakaha Bharataha Drishtaha. When all ladies with Kausalya had gone to Pratima Gruha, and there they saw Bharata. The thing is, Aham cha mandabhaga dware sthita. I was given duty at the door. So I was at the door and I did not know what happened inside. I was at the door. That is why she calls her mandabhaga. I am unfortunate that I was given duty at the door. So that is why she tells Hala Nandinike bhana bhana. That bhana bhana is for Nandinika to say what all things have happened inside. That is, pointed to her. She asked Nandinika. Nandinika says, Hala drishtaha asmabhihi kautuhalena bhartrudarakau bharataha. With curiosity, we saw Bhartrudharakaha Rajaputra Bharata. Vijaya says, Bhattini Kumarena Kim Bhanita? But here Bhattini means Kaikeyi Kumarena Kim Bhanita? What did Kumara say to Bhattini? Because Kaikeyi was also there with them. So she is asking, what did he say to Bhattini? That is Kaikeyi. Nandinika says, Kim Bhanitam avalokitum api no ichchati Kumara. What he said to Bhattini, his mother Kaikeyi, he didn't even want to see her face. Avalokitum api no ichchati Kumara. Aho atyahitam. It's very wrong, very bad. Very wrong has happened. Atyahitam has happened. This is not correct. Mahati apat atyahitam. Rajya lubdhaya bhartrudarakasya ramasya rajya vibhrashtam kurvati atmanaha Vaidhavyam adishtam. Loko api vinasham gamitaha. Nirghruna khalu Bhattini. Bhattini is very cruel. Papakam krutam. She has really committed sin. She feels, within her heart that Kaikeyi has done so many wrong things. Papakam krutam. She has really committed such great sin, Mahati atyahitam. Mahati, vipat. Rajya lubdhaya. Because of greed for Rajya, Bhartrudarakasya Ramasya Rajya Vibhrashtam Kurvati. She did not allow Rama to become king, and he made him Rajya Vibhrashta. Rajyat Vibhraushanam Krutaha Ramasya Vaidhavyam Adishtam. Vaidhavyam Adishtam means she became Vidhava. She lost her husband. Loko api vinasham gamitaha prakrutibhihi anitam abhisheka sambharam visrujya rama tapovanam gataha kumaraha. What happened next? She says, Hala shrunu prakrutibhihi anitam abhishekam. that he left Visrujya. He refused to accept. And Rama Tapovanam Gataha Kumaraha. Kumara Bharata went to Rama Tapovanam. That means the Tapovana where Ram is. So he left for that. He refused to accept Abhisheka and he has gone to forest. She says, Vishada, sa Vishadam. To express Vishada, she says, Evam Gataha Kumaraha. This way, this is how he went. Oh, Nandini ke ehi avam bhattinim pashyavaha. Come, let us see the queens. Let us see the queen. And both of them, they leave the stage. Here, Vaidhavyam Adishtam. That, there is a verse, I remember. It's a nice verse to enjoy, I'm just, remembered it, so I'm telling it, passing on to you. There is a verse, Sa bala vidhava jata tad gruhe roditi pati. Tad gruhe roditi tasyaha pati. Now just see this sentence. Sa bala, that girl, vidhava jata. That means she became widow. Vidhava. Vigataha dhavaha yasya sa vidhava. Vigataha dhavaha. If her husband has died, then why tad gruhe tasyaha roditi pati. Tasyaha patihi rodite gruhi. Her husband is crying at home. This is vadato vyaghatana. How can this be? It's wrong to appear, but it is not so. Vidhava, vigataha dhavaha yasyaha. With vi upasarga, it means vigataha. But vi upasarga also means vividhaha. Vividhaha. Sa bala vidhava jata. That means she became vividhaha dhavaha. She had many husbands, vividhaha dhavaha. That is why her pati was roditi gruhe. That is why her pati was crying at home. Because his wife has become vividhaha dhava. Vidhava. Here it is not so, definitely. Here ends the Praveshaka. And then one of the main character, Bharata, enters this stage. Tataha pravishati Bharataha rathena sumantraha suta cha. When they leave, Bharata enters rathena. Suta, Sumantra also enters. That means Sumantra must have brought him in his ratha to where Rama is staying. And now Bharata, he says, Swargam gate narapatau sukrutanuyatre paurashrupata salilaihi anugamyamanaha drashtum prayami akrupaneshu tapovaneshu ramabhidhanam aparam jagataha shashankam. Everybody feels to call Rama as Jagataha Shashankam. We have heard this upama given to Rama of Chandra, Shashanka. Now I think twice, second time. First also Jagataha Shashanka. Where is Jagata Shashankaha? Rama. When Dasharatha was, lamenting. So this same time, here also, similarly, Jagataha Shashankam Ramabhidhanam. Ram Jagatah Shashankam, Aparam Shashankam, whose name is Rama. Ramabhidhanam. Sukrutanuyatre. Sukrutanuyatre means Sukrutam means Punyam. Anuyatram Anugami. Tasmin Narapatau Dasharathe Swargam Yate Swargam Gate Narapatau, when Narapati Dasharatha went to Swarga, Sukruta Anuyatre, his Sukruta also followed him, and that also went because followed him. You know, there is a verse, when a person commits lot of good things, all those good things only they go to Swarga with him, and other things are left here. Just like that, whatever he collects throughout his life does not go with him. It is left here only, and only his Sukruta, Sushthukrutam, his Punyakrutyani, only that follows him. Sukruta Anuyatre, you know, Sukruta Anuyatre. For this there is a shloka. The shloka goes like this: Dhanani bhumau pashavaha cha goshthe nari gruhadvari janaha smashane dehaschitayam paraloka marge dharmanugo gacchati jiva ekaha. You know, it means dhanani, whatever sampada, whatever, you know, money and houses and this and all his vitta, dhana is left just and that. He may, you know, a person builds so many houses and then buys so much gold and this and that. When he dies, everything is left here only. So, dhanani bhumau pashavaha cha goshte. That time, during that time, means when this verse was composed, during that time, Pashavaha in the Goshthe was also considered as a Sampatti. So many Pashavas, and here Pashavahas means cows. So many Pashavahas he has collected, but those Pashavahas remain at, you know, Goshthe. So, and Narik, he has his wife. Now, she doesn't go with him to Swarga. His dhana doesn't go with him to Swarga. His Pashavaha, his cows do not follow him to Swarga. Nari also does not go with him to Swarga. Nari comes up to Gruhadwara. She comes only up to Gruhadwara with him when his body is carried away to Smashana. He is there. His wife only comes up to the door of the house, and people follow him. People go with him, but they go up to Smashana for his Dahana Kriya. Uttara Kriya, they go to only up to Smashana. They do not go with him to Swarga. Dehas Chitayam, they put that body on Chita, so your body goes only up to Chita. The body doesn't go to Swarga. So your body goes only up to Chita, and Paraloka Marge Dharmanugaha Gacchati Jiva Ekaha. Jiva goes alone. Dharma Anugaha. And with him only Dharma follows. Dharma Anugaha. Only Dharma goes with him. That means whatever he had, good things which he had done, only that follows him. A very nice verse. I felt like telling you this. So I brought it with me today to read out to you. स्वर्गं गते नरपतौ सुकृतानुयात्रे पौराश्रुपात सलिलैः अनुगम्यमानः. Now पौराणाम् अश्रुपात सलिलैः. Paura means Puravasinah. They are, tears continuously flowing from their eyes. Ashrupata salilaihi. Pauranam ashrupata salilaihi. Anugamyamanaha aham. Anugamyamanoham. Drashtum prayami akrupaneshu tapovaneshu. Here he says, I am good. After my father has gone to Swargam gate narapatau with all his punya krutyas, and when all Puravasinaha, they were, crying, and I left all that behind, and now I am drashtum prayami. Now I am going to see, akrupaneshu tapovaneshu. Akrupaneshu means udareshu tapovaneshu. Udareshu tapovaneshu means udara, it means ramaniyeshu tapovaneshu. Akrupaneshu means udareshu ramaniyeshu tapovaneshu vasantam ramabhidanam jagatah aparam shashankam drashtum prayami. Now Sumantra says, Esha Ayushman Bharataha. Sumantra says, Daitendra Mana Mathanasya Nrupasya Putraha Yajñopayukta Vibhavasya Nupasya Pautraha Bhrata Pituhu Priyakarasya Jagat Priyasya Ramasya Sadrushena Pratha Prayati. Sumantra describes Bharata. Eshaha Ayushman Bharata. Here he is, Ayushman Bharata. What he thinks about Bharata is this, ki Eshaha Bharataha. How is he? Daitendranam manasya matnati iti mathanaha means dvausakaha. Daityanam indraha, daityanam raja. Devanam indraha, devendraha. Daityanam indraha, daitendraha. His manasya matnati, his garva, his mana, his abhimana, matnati. It means he destroys. Mathanaha, dvausakaha. Daitendra mana mathanaha. Tasya means nrupasya Dasharathasya putraha. Dasharatha always fought against Asura to help Indra. So, a Nrupa like Dasharatha, who was Dvausaka of Daitendra. His son is this. Bharata is a son of such a Nrupa. Then, Yajñopayukta Vibhavasya Nrupasya Pautraha. Now he said whose putra he is. Now he mentions whose pautra he is. He says, Radneshu upayukto vibhavaha yena tasya nrupasya ajasya pautraha yajñopayukta vibhavasya. Yajneshu upayuktaha, which is useful for yajna, all that vibhava, all that vaibhava, dhana, dhanya, sampatti, all his sampatti, he possessed all his possessions. Yena tasya nrupasya ajasya pautraha yajñopayukta vibhavasya nrupasya pautraha. One who used his sampatti for yajna, such a raja, such a nrupa, tasya pautraha, and that is aja. Then bhrata pituhu priyakarasya jagat priyasya. Ramena, now he is pituhu priyakarasya jagat priyasya ramasya ramasadrushena patha bhrata prayati. Ramena yatha पित्राज्ञया राज्यम त्यक्तम, to follow the father's order, who gave up kingdom, तथा अनेन अपि अन्याय प्राप्तम, रामसदृशेन पथा means अनेन अपि अन्याय प्राप्तम राज्यम त्यक्तम इति भावः. रामसदृशेन पथा प्रयाति. Bharata says, Bho Tata, Sumantra, I am asmi, here I am coming. And Bharata asks him, Kva tatra bhavan mama aryo Ramaha? Kva asau maharajasya pratinidhihi? Kva sannidarshanam saravatam? Kva asau pratyadesho rajalubdhayaha kaikayyaha? Kva tat patram yashasaha? Kva asau narapatehe putraha? Kva asau satyam anuvrataha? He is eager to see Rama. He is very, very eager to see Rama, He want to, give, show all his respect, all his love for Rama, whatever he has. He wants to show it, and he wants to show that to Sumantra also, that Sumantra must, understand his feelings. And so he says, where is he? And he gives so many adjectives to Rama. Kva tatra bhavan mama aryo Ramaha? Arya means, where is my elder brother? Tatra bhavan aryaha. Where is my elder brother Rama? Kva asau maharajasya pratinidhihi? Pratinidhi means putra. Bharata respects Rama as he respects his father Dasharatha. So he says, Kva sannidarshanam saravatam. Sara means bala. Saravatam sannidarshanam. Sara is manaha stairyam. His mind is very stable. It is akshobhya. So he is balavan because his mind, one whose mind is stable and strong, that person is always strong. Mind comes first, body afterwards. So saraha, that means manaha, stairyam. He was akshobhya. Rama was akshobhya. He had dhairya of very high quality. So he is saying saravatam sannidarshanam. Sannidarshanam, balashalinam sat nidarshanam drushtantaha is almost, all those gunas are seeing in Rama. He is in front, they are seen in Rama. All these gunas. So he is Saravatam, Sannidarshanam. Sannidarshanam is Drishtant. So he is like that. Then Kva Asau Pratyadeshaha Rajyalubdhayaha Kaikayaha. Rajyalubdha Kaikayi had insulted him. He was tiraskruta by Kaikayi. She insulted him, but Rama never had any ill feeling towards her. So, Rajyam Trunaya Manyamanaha. He never gave much importance to Rajya. But his father, he had more importance for his father. So he left Rajya. Now here the meaning has a bit different angle. Kaikeyi, stopped his coronation and prevented him from being king. But he did not care for that. Rajyam Trunaya Manyamanaha. He did not give that kingdom importance worth truna, grass. Rajyam Trunaya Manyamanaha. Tiraskruta by Rajyalubdha Kaikeyi, but he did not give even a bit of importance to the kingdom. Such is my brother Rama. Kva tat patram yashasaha. Kirti and yasha, victory and fame. He is a patra of Kirti and yasha. When Kirti and yasha are always held by him, like a patra holds many things. So Kirti and yasha are held in him. Kva asau narapatehe putraha. Where is the putra of that Narapati, Raja? Kva asau satyam anuvrataha. Satyam satyasya palayita. Satyam anuvrataha. Where is he? He is eager to see him. And then again he says in a verse, Mama matuhu priyam kartum yena lakshmir visarjita tamaham drashtumichhami daivatam paramam mama. I want to see him. Now that verse we will see next time in detail. So for today, let us conclude here and we. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.